Hello guys, today we're going to be making a memory game like this one that I made. So, there's a little cat that will say what you want to be said, and there's like colors. So let's click the green flag and I'll show you as an example. If you get it correct, it'll say correct. But let's see what happens if I get it wrong. Yes, it will say wrong like that. So we're going to make a memory game like that. So let's go to create and create a new game. Let's just wait for this to load. Okay, now let's call it memory game. And we're going to keep it a little scratchy because it will be telling us which color to be pressing. So let's first start by getting some sprites. Let's go to the choose the sprite section. Just wait for this. And then we're going to select some sprites. So you don't want the gradient. Let's just remove the gradient. Delete this one. All it is to do it, you can just watch and sit back and relax. Sit back, relax, and enjoy as I'm doing this. Position me here. Almost done. You can create any type of button you want. You can even paint yourself a button, but I like to do it this way. Just makes it more easier for me. There, we made our buttons, and let's just rename this as blue. Okay. Let's keep the scratch cat for this one. So then, when flag clicked, and we're gonna go here, and I'll do this for the other sprites as well because I have to stay there because I don't want them to vanish around because we don't want them to be dragged. That's why I do this all the time in games. Yep, now we did it. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go to the variables section, delete the my variable, and then make a new variable, and we're going to be calling this color for all sprites. So when the flag is clicked, we're going to hide the variable because we don't want to see it because we don't want anyone to cheat. So then we're going to set the color to start. And then we're going to wait 1 second. So then, while that wait 1 second, after that wait 1 second, we're going to be saying, we're going to think of a color. We're going to think of a color. So think, I am thinking of the color for 1 second. And then we will set color to, let's go to operators and set it to pick random 1, 2, 4. So then we're gonna have 4 if conditions. Okay. So then we're gonna have 4 of these. Ek, do, I'm just gonna take it in Hindi. Teen, char. Yeah, that's it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So then, if color equals 1, if color equals 2, if color equals 3, and if color equals 4. So put these into the if conditions. And then we're gonna say the color name. So since color 1 equals red, actually let's label the colors. You don't have to label the colors, but if you want to do it, you can. There, let's label red, yellow. Make sure to snap it in the center. You might not be able to see the yellows, but that's fine. Green, and finally blue. I keep it in this order, my color order. So then, if color equals 1, then say red for I think it was 0.10 seconds. Thinking of the color, and then put the exclamation mark. This is a mobile game. So wait. We're gonna duplicate these for all them, and we're gonna change the colors by the color name. So yellow, green, and then lastly blue. Okay. Red, yellow, green, blue. There. Now since we did this for all sprites, so then when this sprite is clicked, we're going to wait until not color equals start. This. Not color equals start. I'm going to go to if then condition. If color equals 1, then say correct for 0.5 seconds. And if else, say wrong for 0.5 seconds. And then we're going to create a new message, and we're going to name the new message reset. And we're going to do this the same for the wrong. Okay. Repeat this to yellow, set to 2. It's gonna be very quick, I guess. Okay. When I receive reset, we're going to duplicate this. And I think that is how the game works. So it was a kind of quick tutorial. I don't know why it's quick. But finally, let's just choose a backdrop. You can choose any backdrop you want. Oh, you could even paint your own backdrop. You could choose any backdrop you like. You could choose my backdrop too, and I want to choose. I will be choosing the playground. Let's go to the playground. Where's the playground? Yep, the playground looks cool. Love it? Yeah, that looks good. Let's just make a sound so we can repeat forever. I like this chill. Let's just make it soft. I like it this way. When flag clicked. Forever. I'll just make it even more fainter. Not this one. Let's just wait to pop. Forever. Play sound chill until done. Yep, and I think that's it. Oh, I forgot one more thing that I didn't add in the last game. It's the score. I'm going to make a new variable called score for this sprite only. Okay. Large readout. Or here. Set score. Set score to 0. Yeah, like that. Actually, it's supposed to be for all sprites. We need to keep it for all sprites. For all sprites. And then set score to 0. Change. We're gonna do it for all. Change score by 1. Change score by 1. And change score by 1. For this one is, well, okay. So let's keep the score over here like I did last time. And let's just do it in full screen because I don't want these jamming around. See? And let's see the message when it's wrong. There, that's good. Doesn't it look good? So, I hope you had fun with this tutorial because I'll see you later, guys. So, bye-bye!